How to add automatic subtitles to your YouTube video. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So I over here have a YouTube video that I was uploading, and it's a very short video, as you can see. Obviously you want to do all the titles, description, blah, blah, blah. You want to go to video elements, and here you can actually add subtitles. Now, if you cannot do that, then you first have to select the correct language over here of your video. So for me, it's English. So I put it to that, and then I can click on add. Now here you have a couple of different options. So you have upload a file, auto sync, type manually. So type manually is create subtitles and closed captions by typing them in as you watch. This is really like a hassle and takes way too long. I definitely do not recommend this. Then auto sync is create subtitles and closed captions by typing them in as you watch the video. And then auto sync is type or paste in a full transcript of the video, and subtitle timings will be set automatically. This actually works pretty well. But if you don't have a full transcript or a script in general of your video, then this isn't really going to work. And then here you have upload a file. So a subtitle or closed caption file contains the text of what is said in the video and also contains the time codes. So this is actually very important. This is actually the best method. Now, in order to actually get such a file, we are going to use this tool over here called Veed.io. Now, I have a direct link in the description of this YouTube video to this tool. So if you want to check it out, then definitely click on the link in the description. And then over here, we can actually click on start for free. Now, this is a sort of like video editor tool that has a lot of handy like options and helpful options where you can simply do stuff very quickly. Now, I'm going to add this video that we were uploading over here in here as well. And as you can see, we now have the video in here, which is quite nice. Now, in order to add automatic subtitles, we want to go to subtitles over here. Now, here it says, how do you want to add subtitles? So subtitle automatically generate captions or translate. So subtitle your video in a new language. So that's kind of up to you. I'm personally just going to generate captions, and I'm going to click on here. What is the language being spoken in the video? English. And I'm going to click on create subtitles. So it's actually now generating them. And once it is done, you can see it right over here. They have now added all of the subtitles, as you can tell, which is quite nice. Now, if you look on the left, you can actually see that there are a couple of orange words. Now it says this is a low confidence word. So this may there may be a lot of them if your pronunciation isn't all that well, because then it might not recognize everything. But for example, I see a lot of raw, and I actually said rar because I was talking about rar files in this video. And what you can actually do though is go over here and simply change this to rar. And then where was it again? Here we also have raw. I want to change to rar here as well. So you should kind of like double check this. For example, here it says recognize. You can, for example, go to this part, listen real quick. Oh yeah, this is correct. And I can mark it as a correct word, blah, blah, blah. So that's how you can sort of like edit all of this. Now, although Veed.io can actually generate this completely for free for you, there's actually a lot of limits because this is a very short video. It's only like a minute long. But if you were to generate this for like a 20-minute video, then you have already reached the limit. Now, why is that? It's because this, until a certain point, it is free, but then it actually costs money. So when I also, for example, want to get that SRT format, because that is the file you want to have over here to upload automatic captions, it also says that I will have to buy the pro version. And that's actually quite unfortunately, but that is just basically how it works. So if you would like to buy this, because if you make a lot of videos, then this tool is actually very helpful for you. Then, like I said, I have a direct link in the description. And if you buy it via my link, it actually helps me out as well. But there's also a sort of like way to bypass this. It doesn't work like as good as downloading an SRT file and uploading it right here. But what you can actually do is just simply copy all of the text with Control C on your keyboard, and then go over here to auto sync. And you can actually paste in all the words with Control V over here. And then what you can actually do is click on done. And then if you wait a bit and go back, you can now see that it did it all for me. So if I now watch the video, I don't think you guys can hear this sound. But when I watch this, it actually works really well. Yeah. This actually syncs up very well. But like I said, this is a short video. So if you want to do this for like 10 or 20-minute videos, then this tool is already limited. But it's almost like the easiest tool out there, in my opinion. And it's like pretty easy to use and it works very well. So that's how to add automatic subtitles to your YouTube video. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.